Welcome to the world of Linux Essentials, your practical guide to mastering Linux for software development. Have you ever wondered how this powerful operating system can streamline your coding process? Imagine effortlessly navigating through commands and scripts to unleash your full creative potential. With Linux, you hold the key to a seamless development experience. Embrace the challenge, dive into the world of possibilities, and watch your skills soar to new heights. Let's embark on this journey together. Welcome to our course overview. Today, we dive into the fundamental aspects of Linux development. First up, we'll explore the intricate file system structure, unraveling directories, paths, and how files are organized in Linux. Next, we'll delve into the critical realm of file permissions, learning how to manage access rights for reading, writing, and executing files. Then, we'll equip ourselves with essential Bash shell basics, mastering key commands for everyday development tasks. Moving forward, we'll uncover the art of process management, gaining insights into viewing and controlling running programs effectively. Lastly, we'll explore developer tooling, discovering common utilities that streamline the development process. In this journey, we aim to empower you with the foundational knowledge to navigate the Linux development landscape with confidence. In the world of Linux, the file system reigns supreme. Imagine a digital forest where every file and folder is a branch stemming from a single root, symbolized by the /. It's a stark contrast to Windows Drive letter system. This foundational structure forms the backbone of Linux, shaping how we interact with data and software. To navigate this ecosystem effectively, understanding the hierarchy is key. Embrace the tree-like organization, let it guide your path through the vast digital landscape of Linux. Ever wondered where your digital life finds its daily home? Enter the key directories you'll frequent, like a favorite cafe/home, the cozy hub for your personal projects, /USR, the bustling street full of user programs and utilities, /etc, the backstage for system-wide settings, /var, the ever-changing gallery of log files and databases, and /TMP, the transient spot for testing and temporary data. Each directory a vital piece in your digital jigsaw, shaping your daily tech experience. Remember, from projects to programs, these directories are the compass guiding your digital journey. Ever wondered about the difference between absolute and relative paths in navigating file systems? Absolute paths start from the root directory, providing the complete location like /home/student/projects/app.py. They are ideal for specific references regardless of your current directory. On the other hand, relative paths begin from your current working directory, using shortcuts like /data/input.txt. These paths are more flexible and portable within project structures. Remember, always use pwd to know your location and cd to move around easily. So, whether you need precision with absolute paths or flexibility with relative paths, understanding both methods enhances your file navigation skills. Ever find yourself lost in the digital labyrinth of directories? Fear not, for these essential navigation commands are your compass. ls reveals the secrets of your current location, while lslaw unveils hidden treasures. With cd, you can swiftly change your path, whether diving into a specific directory like /home/student or returning home with a simple tilde. pwd acts as your breadcrumb trail, guiding you back to reality like /home/student/projects. So next time you're deep in the maze of directories, let these commands light your way to clarity and control. In the world of Linux, understanding file permissions is akin to holding the keys to a fortress. Who can enter, who can make changes? These are the questions controlled by permissions. Each file has its trio of permissions: read, write, execute, granted to the owner, the group, or others. It's the cornerstone of security and teamwork in this multi-user environment. Picture it like a guard at the gate, scrutinizing each individual seeking access. Mastering these permissions is your passport to a safe and collaborative digital realm. Ever wondered what those cryptic characters in your file permissions really mean? Picture this: RWXRXR is like a secret code revealing who can do what with a file. The first character signals the file type, a dash for a regular file, D for a directory, L for a symbolic link. Then come the juicy details: the next three characters tell us what the owner can do: read, write, execute. After that, it's all about teamwork. The group's permissions are up next. Lastly, the remaining characters show what everyone else on the system can do. So, in a nutshell, when you see RWXRXR1 Student Dev Team 2048 January 15, 10:30 script.sh, remember this: the owner rules, the group has some power, and others just get a peek. Understanding permissions is like having the key to unlock who holds the power over your files. Ever wonder how to change permissions on files in a snap? Enter Chmod. With the symbolic method, assign permissions using letters like U for user, G for group, O for others, and A for all. Want to add or remove permissions? Just use symbols like plus, dash, or equal sign. Alternatively, the numeric method simplifies things with 3-digit numbers. Each digit represents a sum: 4 for read, 2 for write, and 1 for execute. For example, 755 grants full access to the owner and read/execute to others. So, whether you prefer symbols or numbers, Chmod has you covered for precise permission adjustments. Ever wonder how to manage file permissions like a pro? Let's dive into common patterns. For regular files, think 644, you write, they read. Scripts shine at 755, you run, they read. Need privacy? Opt for 600, only you peek inside. And here's a golden rule: steer clear of 777. Remember, it's a security tightrope. Master these patterns, and your files will thank you. Welcome to Chapter 3, Bash Shell Essentials. The Bash Shell is your gateway to the world of Linux, where as a developer, you'll navigate, script, and automate with finesse. Mastering Bash isn't just about skill, it's about unlocking a realm of unparalleled productivity. So, dive in, unleash your potential, and watch your efficiency soar. Ever wondered how to manipulate files in Linux? Let's dive in. To create files, use touchnewfile.txt or mkdir project for directories. Need nested directories? Mkdir pdeep/nested/drs does the trick. When copying, cpsource.txt backup.txt or cp are folder/backup/for directories. Moving or renaming, md oldname.txt newname.txt or mdfile.txt/home/student/ is all you need. Deleting files, rmfile.txt or rm are folder/for directories. Just be cautious with rmrf directory/, it's final. Remember, no recycle bin in Linux. Master these commands for efficient file management in Linux. Ever wondered how to efficiently work with file contents in your command line interface? Let's dive into some essential commands. Need to display the entire content of a file? Simply use cat followed by the file name like cat_readme.md. For viewing large files page by page, try less and navigate with space, B, and Q. Want to see just the first lines of a file quickly? Head is your go-to, like head n20data.csv. To check the last lines of a file, use tail, and add f to monitor logs in real time. Searching for specific patterns? Utilize grep with options like I for case-insensitive or R to search directories recursively. These commands offer powerful tools for efficient file management in the terminal. Remember, mastering these commands can elevate your productivity and streamline your workflow. Ever wonder how to harness the power of shell features to streamline your command line operations? Let's dive into some game-changing tools. Start by linking commands with pipes and redirection, like filtering files with grep or sorting and removing duplicates with sort and unic. Direct outputs to files using greater than sign or to, overwriting, appending, or managing errors effortlessly. Need to work with multiple files? Embrace wildcards and patterns to match specific criteria, from text files to images, with ease. Master these techniques to elevate your shell prowess and efficiency. Remember, the shell's true power lies in your grasp. Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes when you click run on a program in Linux? It's all about managing processes. In Linux, each running program is a process, be it your web server, text editor, or a background task. Knowing how to view and control these processes is key for both development and troubleshooting. They can either run in the foreground, where you can interact with them, or in the background, handling tasks silently. To navigate the Linux world effectively, mastering process management is a must. So, let's dive in and unravel the workings of these vital components. Ever wonder how to peek into the heart of your system's operations? Let's delve into the powerful tools for process monitoring. With the PS command, witness a snapshot of current processes. PSAUX unveils detailed insights, while PSEF grep Python pinpoints specific processes effortlessly. Enter Top, a real-time interactive process viewer offering live CPU and memory updates. Need more finesse? Say hello to Top, a vibrant upgrade to Top, boasting a colorful interface, tree view, and user-friendly navigation. Elevate your system monitoring game by installing Top, your intuitive ally in system oversight. Press Q to quit, K to kill, and sort with M or P for memory or CPU prioritization. Ready to master your system's pulse? Take charge with Top, the ultimate companion for system performance vigilance. In the world of controlling processes, knowing how to start, stop, and manage them efficiently is key. To kick things off, simply append and to run a process in the background. For continuous operation after logging out, use NoHup. When it's time to halt a process, remember that Ctrl+C stops a foreground task, while Kill and Kill All take care of sending signals and stopping processes by PID or name. Job Control offers handy shortcuts like suspending with Ctrl+C, listing background tasks with jobs, and bringing tasks to the forefront or background with FG and BG. And for seamless sessions even while disconnected, utilizing tools like Screen or Tmux is essential. Mastering process control ensures smooth operations and efficiency in your workflow. Are you ready to elevate your development game? Chapter 5 introduces the essential developer tools on Linux, a powerhouse of command line utilities. These tools turbocharge your workflow, from file searches to data compression. Delve into mastering these tools to transition from novice to expert. Discover efficiency at your fingertips. Unleash the power of development utilities. Easily locate files with find using criteria like name, type, time, and size. Execute commands on results for seamless workflow. Download files swiftly with get or curl from the web, get for simplicity, curl for versatility in API testing. Archive and compress effortlessly using tar and gzip for software packaging. Remember, create ZA file or extract ZA file. Delve into file comparison with diff for detailed code review and debugging. Connect securely to remote servers with SSH and transfer files using SCP. SSH for shell access, SCP for secure file copying. For quick edits, embrace Vim and Nano, essential on remote servers. Nano is beginner-friendly, while Vim offers power with a learning curve. Master these must-know utilities for streamlined development workflows. Congratulations on completing this Linux Essentials course. You've mastered core concepts like the file system, permissions, shell, processes, and tooling. With over 30 commands under your belt, you're equipped with essential utilities for daily development tasks. This course has maintained a practical focus, ensuring you gain real-world skills that you can apply every day. To continue your learning journey, remember to practice daily by using a Linux VM or WSL, build real projects with shell scripts, and explore advanced topics like shell scripting, system administration, Docker containers, and Linux networking. Every Linux expert started as a beginner, so don't hesitate to experiment, break things, and learn from mistakes. Embrace the command line as your most powerful tool as a developer. Start exploring, start creating, and enjoy the journey of mastering Linux.